Hello all, welcome to another episode in the Design Prep video log. In this video, I am going to cover one of the important topics like how to prepare for the SEED entrance exam. My name is Prasanna and I hold a degree in product design from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Now let me tell you what is SEED. SEED is Common Entrance Examination in Design and is conducted by Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. This exam is necessary to get admission into design courses at IITs, IIScs and some other institutes such as Vellore Institute of Technology and a few courses at Symbiosis Institute of Design. This particular exam is held generally in months of January and February in each year. You will need to clear this entrance exam and then appear for the interviews in the respective institutes to get the seat in that said institute. Now let me speak about the main part of this video, which is how to prepare for SEED. In order to prepare for SEED, you will have to follow a two-pronged approach. I have been teaching this to more than 400 students who have successfully got admission into IITs and NIDs. You can read about the details of this on my blog called Teacup Blog. Now, this approach is very simple. You have to develop your skills in both aptitude and in sketching over a period of 1 year. Aptitude and sketching form the two parts of a 3 hours entrance exam in SEED. They are respectively called Part A, which is aptitude, and Part B, which is sketching. Now, in order to prepare over a period of year, you will have to improve your sketching. How to improve that exactly I will cover in another video. In this video, it is sufficient to know that you should be able to understand correctly what the question asks you and represent that by sketching in a minimalistic manner. How to prepare for aptitude will also be considered in great detail in another video. Right now, you will have to just remember that it's a 1 year practice session. Now, once you have mastered the basic aptitude and you are able to sketch to a decent extent, you will have to move to the second part of the preparation. This is the second prong of the approach and it is an intensive practice for a period of 3 months. In these 3 months, you will have to dedicatedly focus your attention to where exactly you lack, what are the things that you need to prepare, and you will also have to look at the previous year's SEED paper and solve them in a timed manner. Timing is very crucial in SEED. Many people have failed to realize this and thereby were not able to complete the paper and were not able to achieve the desired score. So let me tell you what is the significance of this two-pronged approach and why I advise it. Now, SEED exam consists of two parts, like I was saying, the part A, which tests your aptitude. You will not be able to cover the entire aptitude overnight or even in the 3 months period. You will have to gradually train your brain to develop a certain kind of aptitude to solve SEED. Looking at the old SEED papers, you will come to know what that aptitude is, and also I will cover that in another video. And then SEED also tests another part, which is part B, your ability to comprehend what is asked, come to a solution and to express your ideas through sketching. In the part B, you will have to focus your attention to sketch. Again, sketching is not something that can be learned or can be done overnight. You will have to spend a considerable amount of time no matter how good you are at sketching. I will cover the details of this also in another video. However, let us say right now that in the first long-pronged approach, you will develop the two crucial skills over the aptitude and sketching. It is enough to spend about 1 hour a day on both aptitude and sketching in this 1 year period. Now, what will you do in 3 months? In the 3 months, you will learn what exactly is SEED about, how to put these two approaches into the place, how to correctly draw the sketches and attempt the aptitude question in a short amount of time. In these 3 months, it is crucial that you focus your attention to solve the paper rather than developing your skills. You would have developed your skills of aptitude and sketching over the period of 1 year, or rather 1 year minus 3 months, and then in these last 3 months you will be using those skills to attempt the papers. In these last 3 months you will solve a number of old seed papers, maybe some practice questions, and hone your skills where you feel you lack. So thereby, if you see this carefully along with the other videos on this channel, you will come to know how to exactly prepare for seed and how to tackle the exam and get the desired score which you deserve. Thank you for watching this channel. I hope that you like this video, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.